Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have some products by STYLEVANA to use for February. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, February's products to use from STYLEVANA just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys do not know, STYLEVANA is not a subscription box. Sometimes they do have their amazing Vana boxes or just all curated boxes that you can find on their website. The best way that I found them is just going to their search and putting either Vana Family or Vana Box. And if they have or what they have at the time will pop up. Now, again, they're not a subscription service, but they can be your one-stop shopping for anything and everything that you need K-beauty, J-beauty related. They have the best products. They ship super fast and you can shop rest assured knowing that everything is going to be authentic. They're going to take care of everything. It's all well protected. And they also have a discount code for you guys to use, which is INF10 SheCrafty. And that will get you 10 to 15% off your cart, depending on what is accumulated in there at checkout. So at least 10 and at the most 15. Sometimes they do sales where they'll bump that up for you guys, and I'll post that on my Instagram or on my stories so you guys can know, but they always have that 10 to 15% off anytime. So let's go ahead and dive in. I did cut the tape already because if you see how big this box is, I thought that this was a mailer box and they were gonna have the products like in a smaller box on the inside. But once I cut the tape and I saw, I was like, oh no, it's all in there. So stop. And I set it on my desk so I can record it. So let's go ahead and get out, like, oh my goodness, all of these products here. Look at this. Okay, so the box is empty. And look at this. Oh my gosh. The one on the bottom is a box and it says Skin 1004. I absolutely love that brand. So now I'm so excited to see. I just got to move all this bubble wrap. When I say they protect everything, they protect all of their products. Even like, look, these are even protected. That was even inside of this. And I save all of my bubble wrap. You never know when you need it. So I always save all of my bubble wrap. So let me go ahead and remove these packaging so I can set everything in front of me and then we can go through and see what all of these products are. I'm so excited. And this is not even a glass bottle and they still protected it. Like, they're amazing. They're absolutely amazing. Ooh, and that is a rosemary shampoo. Ooh. Okay, so since I am super intrigued with the Skin 1004, I want to go through this first, but can we just appreciate this box that it came in? Like, look at how gorgeous. And it even has like a tag, like a fabric tag that has their logo, and it's a magnet. Oh my gosh, what is this? It says Treasures from the Untouched Nature. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. And it even says open down here. There's more. That's why it says open. Look, there's two other packages down inside of there. Oh my gosh. Let's see what's inside of this. I'm super impressed. I absolutely love this brand. Ooh, what is this, like a scarf? This is a scarf, you guys, and it has like their logo, like the image that's on the box and that's on their products is on here. And then it says nature. Oh wait, I'm upside down now. Here, I'm on the right way because it says Skin 1004, the Untouched Nature. So this is the correct way to show you. I'm sorry. So you have like water, desert, and like mountains. Like, oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I love that. So you have like a scarf or, I mean, whatever you want to use that for, but that is absolutely awesome. And it's material 100% polyester. I think that is amazing. So these two appear to be the same exact product, just one larger than the other one. This one here is not the same as the other two products that are in the box though. So I'll start here. It says it's Skin 1004, Madagascar, Centella, Water Fit Sun Serum, SPF 50+, PA plus 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 plus. And that's what they both say, which that's kind of cool because then you can have a full size and then keep the small one like down in your purse or your book bag or drop it in your car so you have it. So that's cool that there's two different sizes. I love sunscreen. I always tell you guys we have to protect our skin, and that's not changing. So let's open up the large bottle first. Again, I love this brand. And you can get all of these products individually from their website. And I've used this one before and I really, really love it. Since it has the blue down here, I put it into my blue backpack. But this is what the sunscreen looks like. And I love the type of handle, plus I love the blue. But I love the packaging that it comes in. So let's see how it's going to look on a smaller scaled version. Okay, how cute. It comes just in this little thing right there, which is actually a lot better because like the cap won't fall off. Or like this one, if the cap falls off and you hit it in your purse, you might do a little squirt squirt. This one, it won't work like that. So this would be a great one, again, to toss into your purse, your book bag, or just leave it in like your car or whatever if you ever need it. So these two are the exact same for the sunscreen, being the SPF 50. So there's that. Okay, so for the other three products, I'm going to talk about them like in the step that they should be used. So the first one here is the Madagascar Centella Toning Toner, made with pure centella from Madagascar. This is a 210 ml, and that is what the packaging looks like. And I absolutely love this toner, so I'm so excited to see this in here. And this is what it looks like right there. How to use: apply an appropriate amount to either a cotton pad or directly on the palm and gently pat to absorb into the skin. And that's what I've honestly been doing lately, is when I am using a toner, since I'm literally just out of the shower and I'm as clean as I'm going to be, I will just pat it in my hands and press it in now, just so I'm not like reusing the cotton rounds and like rewashing them or throwing anything away. I don't have anything to do, any extra steps. I just put it in my hands and just pat it into my face and I'm good to go. So that's what I've been doing. So you can do however your little hot desire is. Next up is the Madagascar Centella Ampule. So after your toner, you put on your ampule, and this basically like amplifies your next step of your skincare routine. So this would be your second step after you are cleansed, you tone, and then you use your ampule. And there is that one. Ooh, and then like behind the label, look at, you can see like that desert scene. That is so, so cute. I love that. Is that behind the toner one too? Yep. Or you can at least see it from the other side too. Look at that. That is so cool. I love their packaging. So there's the ampule. Again, you use it after the toner. It says on here, drop an appropriate amount and evenly apply to the skin. Pat to promote absorption. Very, very simple. Then the third one in here, which would come after that, is the Soothing Cream. And let me show you what this one looks like. So it's in this packaging right here. And this one says, apply an appropriate amount onto the face and pat gently with both palms for absorption at the last step of your skincare routine. So if you do have another step you wanted to do in between the ampule and this, you would do that, and then this would be your last step, or just use this as your last step if you're not going to use anything else. But that would be basically the steps to use all three of those products. And then you have the sunscreen to use to protect your skin. I love that. This whole kit, they could have just sent me this kit right here and I would have been happy with just this alone. I love the packaging. I love the box. I love this brand. I love these products. So I'm super, super impressed with this whole little kit here. And then the scarf too. That's absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and start going with all these other products that they sent as well. And since I kind of already showed you this, let's go with this one first. This is the Aromatic Rosemary Scalp Scaling Shampoo. It's a net weight of 13.5 fluid ounces or 400 ml. That is what it looks like. And it says on here, suggested use: apply an appropriate amount onto your wet hair and scalp, then gently massage. Lather well and rinse thoroughly. I wonder if it's gonna smell like rosemary. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it does. It does. It smells really, really good. So I'm super excited to use this. Now, I'm not going to take you into the shower with me. You're welcome. But this is a shampoo like you would use any type of normal shampoo. I don't know if this comes with the conditioner as well, as I like to always have like a matching set But if I don't, what I do is when I have like an actual like hair mask or something like that, that's when I'll use like my odd shampoo, like if it doesn't have a match, and then I'll use that with like my hair treatments, that kind of thing. But I might look to see if they have if I like the shampoo, I might see if they have the conditioner, and I'll go and grab that to go with it. So I actually went to their website and I found the conditioner. So I purchased it with a few other things. I needed some more moisturizer. So I grabbed this one from Skin 1004 because I love that brand. So I'm sure it's going to be absolutely amazing. I also grabbed this. I've used it before. I love it. This one's by Frutia. It's normally $32 and some change, and it's on sale for $9.49. So I grabbed two. This here I haven't used before, but it said watermelon. So hello, you had me at watermelon. So I grabbed that so I can try that. And if you do purchase anything from their site, don't forget to use my code. It actually saved me almost $5 on my order alone. So going with your hair, this is by iUnic, another amazing brand that I absolutely love. And this is Argan Nurturing Hair Oil. Moisture and nutrition for all hair types. It's a 100 ml or a 3.38 fluid ounce. Okay, that's a neat little package. And it looks like it has a little spray top. Take an appropriate amount and evenly apply it to your hair for absorption. So you just pop the top and, oh, it's not a spray, but it will just come out like that, like for the liquid to come out, and then you could probably massage it on your hands and then like run it through your hair. So there is a hair product for Argan Nurturing Hair Oil. So now let's go with this mugwort essence I'm from. This is a 160 ml or a 5.41 fluid ounce, and that is what the packaging looks like. The mugwort in here is to help calm the skin. And it says directions: apply the essence after toner stage in skincare routine and pat for better absorption, or soak a cotton pad to place on your face. So this would be the same thing after you're cleansed and toned. You use your essence and then you can use any other step afterwards. So there's that. I can't wait to try that. Again, you can just use a cotton round or simply put it in your hands and pat it into your skin. Up next, we do have, it says finely juiced vitamin charging serum, brightening and firming, improves skin texture, antioxidant formula, skin irritation. It's a 30 ml, 1.01 fluid ounce. It says juicy. And that is what the packaging looks like. The freshly juiced vitamin charging serum boosts hydration and improves uneven skin for a clear, smooth complexion. Directions: after applying toner, apply an appropriate amount to the skin and let it absorb. So very, very simple. And that is the little spout that it comes out of. So you can just pump it up, put it on your face, and you are good to go. So I can't wait to try that out, especially freshly juiced vitamin charging serum. I'm super excited about that. Next we have is a product that I've used before and I really did like this. This is the Vitamin A Amazing Night Cream. It's a 30 gram or 1.05 ounce. That is the packaging. And that is what it looks like down inside. Night use only. It's a night cream that contains retinol, which helps to revitalize and smooth out uneven skin texture. Apply one more layer to areas that need intensive care. Directions: after cleansing in the evening, apply an adequate amount during the cream step. So during your cream step of your night routine is when you would use this, and it does have the retinol in it. I wouldn't suggest using it every single day, but you can use it however you would like, but it does say a night cream to use as your cream step. So up next we have the Slim Type Retinol Microcrone Patch. Helps to improve deep wrinkles around the eyes and smile lines in at least 2 hours. Wow, alrighty. So that's what it looks like. And let me show you what the patches then are inside, unless they're all in a package. They are. They are down in a package. There's 3 different packages inside. Yes, there's 3. So this is what it looks like. And then you will open it up, take the patches out, and you can put it either on your smile lines, you can put it underneath your eye here, wherever you have like the most wrinkles. You put it on, and it says to leave on for up to 2 hours. So you can leave it on for up to 2 hours, and it should help you in those areas to improve deep wrinkles around the eyes and smile line in at least 2 hours. So that's why you got to wear these for at least 2 hours. So if you're already done with your normal routine, nice cleansed face, and you're just chilling, sitting at home watching TV or taking care of emails or whatever, put it on your face, set your timer for 2 hours, and then you will see if you have less wrinkles in those areas. I can't wait to try that out. I do have a few that are going on. I don't have a whole lot of wrinkles just yet, thankfully, but I will definitely try that around under my eye area. So then the last and final product in here is a hyaluronic acid watery sun gel, SPF 50 plus PA++++, UVA UVB. It's a 50 ml or a 1.69 fluid ounce. And again, I'm all for protecting our skin from the sun. It's only getting worse, and I always tell you guys how much skin cancer is in my family. So to avoid that at all costs, I do everything that I can to try to remember to always protect my skin so I can protect myself. So here's what the packaging looks like. I love that deep blue. And then you just twist the top on the bottom and pour out your stuff right there. Put it on, protect your face, your arms. And I always say, toss it in your kids' book bag. So if they're out playing sports or anything, start them off early to tell them to put it on their face and at least their arms that's seeing the sun. So there's that. That's a great size to put in anything. So that is everything that they sent for me to use for February. Oh my gosh. Again, I'm just super impressed with the Skin 1004, and I'm super excited to try out these new products. This one here is, I think, the only one. I might have used this one before, but I think this is the only one really that I've used as far as the other products go. So I'm really excited to test out some new products. I'm really excited to try that shampoo. And this whole kit here, again, is just absolutely amazing. So that is everything that they sent for me to use for February. Okay, you guys. So again, that is all the products that they sent for me to use for February. Thank you so much, STYLEVANA, for sending me all these amazing products to use and show my viewers. I greatly appreciate it. You guys can always go check them out, and that INF10 SheCrafty will save you 10 to 15% off whatever is accumulated in your cart at checkout, which is absolutely amazing. I will have them all linked down below. You can use that to go straight to them. If you want to see other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see all the different videos that I do upload. I do so many different ones, so if there's one that is loaded that you're not interested in, skip it and wait for one that you are. And that's simple. So again, that is everything for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.